Hi, Carta Ventures. This is Logan Burchett, co-founder and COO of Forecastr. And Henry and James, if you all are watching, it is my pleasure to walk you through the alpha version of Forecastr as it exists today. So what I'm going to be walking you through today is, like I said, our alpha version. It was built about a little bit less than a year ago. We're currently in the middle of rebuilding this into a much more flexible beta version. So I'm going to spend some time walking through the features as they exist today. And then at the back half of the video, I'll spend a little bit of time touching on more aspirational what we hope to achieve with this platform in the future. So just to go ahead and dive right in, this page that we're on right here is the dashboard page. So you can see you got some really high level metrics and graphs. We have a revenue cash flow graph that shows net income, revenue, and cash. You also have some things like runway and cash need, which is really interesting. You also have some of the usual suspects in terms of like financial statements. So we have the income statement here with some key metrics at the top, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, all of that stuff. You can see that we can run some different scenarios and see exactly how it affects the graph up here with revenue. So for example, we have some assumptions broken out for pricing, number of current customers, product mix, and churn rate. So I can quickly see that we're currently showing that the free tier is actually shown at a $9 price point. If I change this back down to 0 to make it a free tier, you can see what happens to cash. And if I go back to my dashboard, you can see that our cash need has gone up significantly. This was around 2,000. Now it's almost 150,000. And our runway changed as well. So there's a lot of interesting things you can do here as a founder whenever you're building out a forecast. This particular forecast is for a SaaS company. We hope to expand horizontally and be able to capture a variety of different business models and eventually be able to forecast for any type of company. But we do a bottoms up approach with Forecastr. So you can see that we've got assumptions like content marketing, conferences, partnerships and affiliates, organic search. So we believe that it's really important for founders to truly understand their growth strategy and for you to get a holistic picture of how your business is growing so that you can understand what's going to happen to your revenue, to your expenses, to your cash, and all of that stuff. And then you can see some things over here like hiring plan. You can input all of your different employees. You can input all of your expenses, assets, liabilities, and capital. So long term, we see Forecastr as being the world's first AI CFO. What we're trying to do here is standardize the process for building and managing financial models and financial forecasts. And whenever that process is standardized, it gives you access to things such as anonymous benchmarking, which can allow you to get a picture of how your company is performing alongside of a broader cohort of companies in your space. It can also give you access to new data such as what you should be paying your employees. And with an AI layer on top of it, it can even give you valuable insights such as when you should start raising capital and how much capital you should be raising and roughly where your pre-money valuation should fall. And it really gives founders confidence whenever they're going out and making these business decisions. And it also empowers venture capital firms and accelerators and really any types of investors because it now gives them the power to look at their portfolio from in a broader sense of a cohort of portfolios. So you can now plan follow-on rounds much more efficiently by seeing which companies you have are going to run out of cash and when they're going to run out of cash and forecast the revenue and the growth of your portfolio as a whole. So we aspire to be the world's first AI CFO and really the world's first AI portfolio manager as well. So I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. We would love to meet and speak with you on a one-on-one basis, and we hope to do so here in the near future. Thanks.